Hello dear students, here is the list of your experiment for ICD program Applied Physics PH 111. List of experiment to measure. First experiment is to measure the length, breadth and height of a geometrical body in centimeters using vernier caliper and find its volume. So our aim is to measure the length, breadth and height of a geometrical body in centimeter using vernier caliper, find its volume. Today we will discuss about vernier caliper. Vernier caliper is precision instrument used in lab and industry for quality control measurement and manufacturing scientific equipment and in navigation also. It measures dimension extremely accurately. It is named after its inventor Pierre Vernier, a famous French mathematician. Now let's find out how we can use this instrument to find volume of a rectangular block. This rectangular block. Dimension can be found according to formula total reading is equal to main scale division plus vernier scale division into least count. You can note this formula. Before that, let us familiar the main parts of vernier caliper. There are two scales are there in it. You can see this is vernier caliper. There are two scales, centimeter scale and vernier scale. Here I manage this type of vernier caliper and there are two parts, vernier scale that is centimeter scale and this is vernier scale. You can see clearly here are 10 divisions in it. These are for inches and these are for centimeters. This is called as main scale and this is vernier scale. Vernier scale mounted on main scale and sliding over it. Here this is called jaws. There are upper jaws and lower jaws. Upper jaws for internal diameter of any cylinder. This is cylinder and we can find the diameter of inner diameter of cylinder with the help of these upper jaws, and these are outer jaws. So we can find the outer diameter of cylinder or whole sphere with the help of these outer jaws. Metallic, this is metallic depth probe and we can measure the depth of cylinder. Let us assume this is our cylinder. For we can use vernier for measuring the depth of this cylinder. Touch the bottom of this metallic depth probe with the bottom of cylinder and find the reading. So we can get the depth of this cylinder. Now come to the procedure. As we discussed before, reading can be taken out is equal to total reading, that is main scale division plus vernier scale division into least count. This is also called as vernier constant. What is least count? Least count it is also called the precision or resolution, minimum count which we can measure. For example, least count of a clock is 1 second. Main scale is in centimeter. You can see main scale is in centimeter and vernier scale is least count of vernier scale is called as vernier constant. So we can find the least count of vernier caliper. 10 vernier scale division is equal to 9 main scale division. To determine the least count of given vernier caliper, bring outer measuring jaws together, place you can see 10 vernier scale division is equal to 9 main scale division. So we can get 1 vernier scale division is equal to 9 by 10 main scale division. So vernier constant is 1 main scale division minus 1 vernier scale division. We can get vernier constant is equal to 0.01 centimeter. Place the block in between the outer jaws and note the reading of main scale. Here main scale reading is 6.1 centimeter. Note down main scale reading is 6.1 centimeter and vernier scale reading. Find out the best matching line of vernier scale with the main scale, that is 8th line. So we note the vernier scale reading, that is 8th line is best matching and least count is 0.01 centimeter. So we can put in the table (6.1) is vernier scale reading, that is main scale reading 6.1 centimeter. Vernier scale reading is 8th line is matching, n is equal to 8th line. Then y is equal to n into vernier constant. N is 8th and vernier constant is 0.01 centimeter. So 8 into 0.1 centimeter is equal to 0.08. Then add x and y, that is 6.1 plus 0.08 is equal to 6.18 centimeter, that length of this rectangular block. Again see length of rectangular block. First line 0 of the vernier scale is matching with the 6.1 of main scale. So main scale reading 6.1, which is the best matching line of vernier scale with the main scale. Best matching line is 8th. Here 8th line is best matching. So we can note, and total reading is 6.18 centimeter. Here you can see with the help of this centimeter scale we can note only with 1 decimal place. And with the help of vernier caliper we can note the reading with 2 decimal place. So this is more accurate. Same as we can note the breadth. Note down the value, same as length. Here 0 of the vernier scale is matching with main scale is 4.8 centimeter, and which is best coinciding line? 7th number. So we can note 7th, n is equal to 7. 7 into 0.01 is, it becomes 4.8 plus 0.07, that is 4.87 centimeters. Yes, we can note the breadth of this rectangular block. Again note down the first 0 of the vernier scale coincide with main scale reading, that is 2.5. And again best matching line is 6th. N into 0.01, 2.5 plus 0.06, that is 2.56. These are the reading of length, breadth and height. Here you can see the mean observed dimensions and corrected. What is corrected? So you can see if we contact those lower jaws with each other, 0 of vernier scale meet exactly with the 0 of main scale. So this is error-free instrument. 0 of vernier is exactly matching with the 0 of main scale, error-free. So 0 error is nil. But sometimes 0 of main scale is not matching with the 0 of vernier. For example, you can see let us assume this is vernier scale, lower scale, and this is main scale. If 0 of vernier lies left before 0 of main scale, then it is called as negative 0 error. If both are coinciding each other, so no 0 error. If left before main scale, then it is called negative 0 error. Same as positive 0 error is when 0 of vernier scale is lies right before 0 of main scale, it is called positive 0 error. How can we correct these errors? If a positive error is there, if 0 of vernier scale lies right to the 0, then positive 0, how we can correct it? If n is number of vernier scale division, coincide with any number of vernier of a main scale. Note down the 0 of vernier coinciding with the x of main scale, and note down this number, put main scale reading and vernier scale reading and into vernier constant, and subtract the value, subtract this reading to the final reading. You can remove the positive 0 error. Same as if negative 0 error there, Total number of division on vernier scale is n. That is 10 in our case, and n is coinciding division of vernier scale with the main scale. For example, in our case, it is 6, then 10 minus 6 is 4. 4 into vernier constant 0.01, it is 0.04. Negative 0 error, so we add this value. If negative 0 error there, we will add this value to the R reading, 0.04. So only corrected reading is 0.04, 6.12 centimeter. Mean observed is 6.08 and corrected is 6.12. This is negative 0 error जो हमने इसमें प्लस किया है. तो यहाँ हम पुट करेंगे 6.08 और मीन करेक्टर डायमेंशन क्या होगा हमारी 6.12 सेंटीमीटर. सेम हेयर ऑब्जर्व्ड क्या है 6.87, इसमें से 0.04 सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो ये कितना आ जाएगा 4.79. सेम 2.56 ऑब्जर्व डायमेंशन है, इसमें से हम अपनी एरर को रिमूव करेंगे तो ये कितना आएगा 2.52 सेंटीमीटर. देन मल्टीप्लाई लेंथ, ब्रेड्थ एंड हाइट and you will get the volume of vernier caliper. Thank you so much.